Want to send high-quality photos on Instagram without compromising their resolution? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to send HD photos via Instagram direct messages in just a few steps. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap the message icon in the top right corner to access your direct messages. Here, you'll see a list of your chats. Select an existing conversation or start a new one. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap the photo icon next to the message input field. This will open your phone's gallery. Browse through your gallery and select the high-resolution photo you want to send. Before hitting send, look for the HD icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap it to enable HD mode. It should turn black to confirm that the HD option is active. Now tap send, and your friend will receive the photo in full HD quality, preserving every detail. Sending HD photos on Instagram is super simple and ensures your pictures look their best. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.